It's 5 months already on this journey and I've lost 25 kg or 55 hours. Yes, and I'm going to be answering questions from this book, so the video is not going to be too long and I'm not going to talk out of points. This is one of the things that helped me a lot, this 5 months with belly fat. So how did I start my weight loss journey, or what made me to start my weight loss journey? I started this weight loss journey December 1st, 2025, and what made me to start my weight loss journey was because I was having breathing issues, difficulty in breathing, so I needed to start because I want to live long and also train my child. So what motivated me to start my weight loss journey is fear. My motivation was fear of survival. I want to survive. I want to live long. So this is what motivated me to actually start my weight loss journey. And it's been 5 months. I've seen a lot of difference, a lot of changes, especially my face. What worked for me on this weight loss journey? What worked for me? Number one, I started with water fasting. Yes, water fasting helped a lot. Helped a lot on this weight loss journey. The first day I did water fasting for like 6, it lasted for 6 hours. Yes, and for that, after the 6 hours, I ate. And that week, I lost about 2 kg. I started at 102 kg. That is 206 abs, right? I don't know if I'm correct, but I started at 102 kg. And that week I lost about 2 kg, which was very little for me because I was angry. I was expecting huge fall on the scale, but it was just 2 kg. And I did water fasting throughout that week. And when I got serious, when I noticed my breathing issue improved, and that really motivated me more to continue. So that is number one thing that worked for me, water fasting. Number two is cocoa drink. A cup of cocoa powder, tea without sugar, without milk, and I'll just drink it this way. I'll drink it warm, and that way I'll feel less hungry throughout the day. Another thing that helped is coffee. I drank coffee the first week. That was what I used when I was doing fasting. Coffee and then cocoa. But when I switched to using this appetite suppressant, I stopped making use of coffee because this contains caffeine, a lot of caffeine. So this helps me with hunger pangs. It helps me to curb my hunger. So what I do in the morning is I take my pure cocoa powder without sugar, without milk, and then I take 2 tablets of this, which I'm going to do this evening. This is morning anyways, so I'm going to take this because today is fasting day. And when this is cold enough, I'll start drinking. So today is fasting day anyway. So that's what helped me. Water fasting, coffee. I stopped using coffee because I got this. This is appetite suppressant and it contains caffeine. So there is no need taking coffee again. So I just take cocoa powder and appetite suppressant, and throughout the day, I don't feel hungry. Some days I also do pure water fasting, just drinking water throughout the day. And guess what? That is when I lose the most. The most. Highest I've lost in a week is 4 kg. 4 kg. I've lost 4 kg in a week just by taking water and this. Water and appetite suppressant. 4 kg a week. So another thing is I did egg diet. I ate egg. This week I might just take cocoa powder. The other week you see me eating egg throughout. Egg burger, scrambled egg, fried egg, cooked egg. Just switch it up. That's what I take. So for me not to be hungry, I take my appetite suppressants. But if you can bear it, no problem. But do not overeat. Another thing is keto diet. You can be on keto diet. Just switch it up. Switch up the diet. Intermittent fasting, water fasting, egg diet, coffee diet, cocoa diet, whichever diet you can find. Just switch it up. Do it weekly. This week you're doing coffee diet. Next week you're doing cocoa diet. Another week you're doing egg diet. Another week you're doing you're a vegetarian. Another week fruit. Another week just like that. So it's not going to be boring. Weight loss and ulcer. I did have ulcer before, and my ulcer came when I gave birth to my baby. So I had ulcer 2021. That was when I gave birth to my baby. I had ulcer, and it nearly even took my life. And many people will ask you, you have ulcer and you're doing water fasting. I did, and I'm still doing. Right now, I'm doing water fasting, but this is not pure water fasting because I'm going to be taking cocoa tea, so it's not pure water fasting. But I do pure water fasting also, and I have ulcer. It hasn't harmed me in any way. Before you do this, please try and go to your doctor for advice. But for me, it hasn't hurt me in any way. I've had ulcer since 2021, and we're still going strong. I must lose that weight. I must wear bikini. That's what matters the most. Another thing is my accountability partner. Who is my accountability partner? Fear. Fear is my accountability partner, because the fear of going back to the old me, the fear of having breathing issue again, the fear of clothes not fitting, the fear of losing my confidence again is my accountability partner. Do I still have breathing issue? No, I breathe very, very well now. Like, I can't wear inner wear without, trying to feel or forcing myself to feel comfortable. Right now, everything is okay. Everything is okay. I'm fine. I breathe well. The confidence is high, How people see you after losing a whole lot of weight. They're kind of admiring you. They'll be like, "Oh, what did you do? You look so cool. You look so I love that. I love that feeling. They keep complimenting, and that's cool. That's best drink that help with my weight loss journey: cocoa powder, coffee. If you're not taking any supplements, you can go for coffee. These are the two drink that helped me. Best snack, palm fruits or palm kernel. That's what I ate a lot. Palm kernel, low in calories and also filling. I just suck the milk and throw the chaff away. Palm kernel, that's my best snack. I don't snack on any other thing. Best food on this weight loss journey, egg. Low on calorie, and also I can eat it whichever way I want. Boiled, egg burger, fried, anyway, still low calorie. So this is my best food on my weight loss journey. Soup. As a Nigerian soup, any soup at all. I can eat any soup without adding the eba or fufu. Another food I like very well, like I can go 2 days with without feeling tired, is potato. Boiled, sprinkle salt and eat. It's sweet. Or boiled, sprinkle pepper and eat. That is filling. Egg, potato. So filling. I love them. So I can eat them 14 days, and then I'll switch up. Is weight loss expensive? Yes, weight loss is expensive if you're going to get this. If you're going to get appetite suppressants, if you're going to do weight loss surgery, if you're going to get any weight loss suppressants, if you're going to get them, it is expensive. Question is, when is the best time to start weight loss? Start now. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for 5 o'clock. Do not wait for first of any month. Do not wait for Saturday. Do not wait for Monday. Start now. And start with water fasting. Water is still one of the 6 classes of food. It is still food. You can survive on food for days, but you can't survive without water. So this is food. Water is food. Water is one of the 6 classes of food. So start with water. Even if you don't have money, start with this. Start with this. Start with this. You're good to go. Do I ever get tired or bored? Yes, I do get tired. You get tired of eating one food every week. You eat egg throughout the 1 to 7, and the upper week you eat potato throughout the 1 to 7, and the upper week you eat different kind of fruit, and the upper week you drink just cocoa, and the upper week you get tired. You get tired if you get bored. Remember your the reason why you started, and that is going to keep you going. And most times I do indulge. Yes, I indulge a lot. I eat all kinds of things. I eat all manner of things. Cakes. I can take 1 day or 2 days off. But sometimes I even take 1 week off and I start again. But because I'm taking 1 week off does not mean I'll eat out of proportion. I'll eat a lot of calories. I do eat and then I take my suppressant so that I'm not going to eat. I can choose to eat in the morning, whatever I like. That is when I'm bored or tired. I choose cake in the morning and then I take this. I know I've already indulged. I've already eaten at once. So I just take this so that I'm not going to be hungry throughout the day. So what exercise I did? None. I don't believe in exercise. It's just work. Everything depends on what you eat, what you put in your belly. And can you lose weight in a month or huge amount of weight in a month? No. Don't hope on losing huge amount of weight in 1 month. Just challenge yourself to 100 days and you're going to see huge difference. And the last is the last but not the least, so we are rounding up this video. What advice would I give to someone who wants to embark on their weight loss journey? Just start now. Start now. Now is the best thing to start. This very minute that you just watched the video is the best time you're going to start, and you're going to see huge change if you continue to about 100 days. You're going to see a whole lot of difference. If you have the money to spend, you can get this. You can get appetite suppressants. If you have the money for weight loss journey, you can go for, or if you have the money for weight loss surgery, you can go for weight loss surgery. Whichever one you have the money for it, do it. The best diet to do on this weight loss journey, water diet. That helped a lot. Switch it up if you can. Weekly you can do coffee,